Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In today's feature demo, we're going to be taking a look at the all-in-one computer view report that's offered within Endpoint Insights, which is kind of just how it sounds. It gives you an all-in-one view into the most critical information you need on a device. So let's go ahead and take a look at the demo itself here. So we're in the Config Manager console here, taking a look at our devices. There are a couple of ways that we can actually get to this report. We could go ahead and grab one of our devices here, right-click it, and then under our right-click tools, we have a little Endpoint Insights node here. We can go ahead and open the all-in-one computer view report from here. Or we could also expand our Recast Software node on the left-hand side here. We could go into Endpoint Insights here, click on Endpoint, and then we could also access the all-in-one computer view report from here. So if we're accessing it from the Endpoint Insights node, we have to select a computer here. So let's go ahead and grab one of our machines. We'll just view this computer here. So at the top, we're going to get some information about the device itself here. But down below is where the real meat of this report comes in. So we're going to get some information about the Config Manager client on this device. One of the big pieces of information here we'll get is some information about the warranty for this device. So if you need to find some warranty information for this computer, you don't need to go out to HP or Dell's website. You can go ahead and pull up the report here and find that warranty information right from within. We'll get information on the monitors that are connected to this device with the model number, serial number, and when it was made. We'll get information on any docking stations that were connected to this device, if there was one. We'll also get information about the drives that are installed on this machine, as well as the amount of free space here. We can, on this device, we get some information about how this device is faring as far as software updates go, and it's broken down by update type. So if we found that there was a bunch of critical updates on here, we might need to go kick those off. Also get some information about the programs that are installed on this device. And one great thing about this report being in the console is it also enables us to utilize our right-click tools on this report. So if we're taking a look at this report and we found that this device had some low free space, we go ahead and click on the device, go to our console tools, go to system information, and we could actually go ahead and remove any old user profiles possibly that are still on this device to clear up some free space on it. The all-in-one computer view report, it can be a great place to start looking if you're troubleshooting some issues on a device, or if you just need to grab the warranty information quickly for the device as well.